Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete your Tinder message. Watch the video till the end. To delete your Tinder message, firstly open your Tinder application. The home page of Tinder will appear on the screen. Tap on the message icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. You can see the chat list over here. Choose and tap the message you want to delete. Here, I'm going to type in a text and then long press on it. You can see that there is no delete option. Now, all you need to do is, for deleting a Tinder message, you need to unmatch the person. So, click on the blue mark at the top right corner of the screen, then tap on Unmatch from the person. A message will pop up on the screen to confirm whether you want to unmatch or not. Click on Yes, Unmatch. After that, your message will be deleted automatically. This is how you can delete a Tinder message quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well as press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Thank you so much for watching.